Hi guys, hope you're well. It's Matt Feast. I've just been asked by a new member of mine, wanted me to do a video, but I thought I'll quickly do a video on YouTube, and because if we do get new prospects coming in, fair play. It helps all parties. But I've been involved in this company for about 10 months and 2 weeks approximately. The company's called earn.world. I'm very happy with them. I started with this business, and I first started with I invested over $100 just to test the water out. My advice to you is do the same thing if you're interested in this company. Earn and learn. Okay, that's how I did it. Okay, because when you come to a platform like this, it can be a bit mind-boggling what to do, where to go, and all that sort of stuff. But we do have a Discord group and also a Telegram group. But Telegram group is more volatile, really conversations. So link below if you want to get interested or want to sign up, click on the link below and add yourself to the group and ask questions away, guys. But meanwhile, let me just talk about this business. This is based on my own experience. Okay, so it's a little disclaimer there. All right. I've turned over $166,000 within the last 10 months with this company. And yes, I have built a team. I didn't for the first 3 months, and I just started building a team. They do pay daily, which is great, especially in this industry. And this money here, I've actually put into my Bitcoin wallet or my crypto wallet. So it's going great. I love the business and it's going well. We do have updates every day. What's happening? So this is the real deal for me. But anyway, when you want to get started, my advice really is start with $100 of USDT, because USDT in, USDT out. Okay, just letting you know. But let me quickly go for it with you. If we make a deposit, it's deposits. You have two options. You can either pay TRC20 or BEP. Okay, this is my personal one. Is TRC20, which runs on the Tron network. Very cheap on the transactions. Some people use their what do they call it now, a MetaMask wallet, so they just send the funds to this address, BP BSC. Okay, please note, please send your currency on the right network. Please do not send it on the wrong network, otherwise you will lose your funds. Okay, just let you know. So double check with your exchange and double check with what you're sending across to here. All right. But you need to make a deposit. So the first thing you need to do is go to deposits here. Go to deposits. So we'll bring you to a page which is this one here. Okay. Once you've made a deposit, you go to balance and you see a deposit landing here. Okay. And after you've done that, you say, okay, my funds arrived. You go to buy an infrastructure, which is this one here. You probably say, well, what is an infrastructure? Well, an infrastructure is a node, so you're buying a node, okay? The crypto node, so basically they're going to pay you a certain amount of interest every day, right? So you click on here, click on there, it says buy infra, okay? It's buy infra, click on that. You've got lots of options here, okay? These are the options here, okay? But my advice really when you first start is you scroll down, go to the advanced one here, right? This is $1,000, but really just go for $100. Click on that little arrow there. Click on that. $100. Start with $100. Test the water out. Or if you want to really kind of push the boat out, $1,000. Yeah. But my advice, as I said before, earn and learn. Learn the platform, and once you get happy with it, start investing more. Okay. This gives you the return on investment here. Okay. So basically, this is paid 350%, 400%, 500% if you push the boat out with more funds. Okay, this is based on the whole amount. So if you invested say 10 grand, you'll get 50 grand back. All right. Okay, just gives you an example. This is how much it's paying per month. Okay, 8% per month. Okay, sometimes my experience this pays you a little bit more, really, but I like it, it's working. And there's another way you can make money with this company is we do have an exterior wallet. I've done a video explaining how to do link your exterior wallets, your mobile wallets. Okay, I'll show you mobile wallet to the actual main platform. Okay, I'll leave the link below so you can have a look at that. But when you actually sign up, you go through the funnel anyway, so it's there anyway. But I'll put it there anyway. Okay. And please ask questions in the groups. We do have a Discord and we do have Telegram. Telegram's probably better really because it's got more interaction with that. And ask away, ask admin or myself how to use certain programs, or how to basically. Done lots of videos of how to get started. Yeah. So right, so basically you bought an infrastructure, okay. And then what happens is every day you get paid, and it will show in your dashboard, which is here. You'll see it coming in every day. Right? You can either withdraw, very easy to withdraw, which is you go to payout here, request payment. All right. You put your information there, and it just pays within say 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, not a problem. Okay, and it's good as gold, and it works. I have done some videos. When you sign up, you will come to this page here. That's an opt-in page. Once you sign up, then you come straight to here, which would be, you come straight to this page here. It tells you, level 3 this is about, okay, section, that's when you sign up, okay, sign up. If you're in a space sort of Canada, I know you do not represent, okay, blocked. Don't worry, I've got a few Canadians and, like I say, guys, behind me, these are calling against okay, say it's all now, let's see to it's based actually free, but I didn't time to call the currency. And then the currency will become well, okay, now they're good with price, I like them in the rate table, and they pay me when you buy Bitcoin or level, Ethereum, or USDT, from fees watching, half hour, 10 minutes, 20, everyone can't pick out, right? Please go to this call. Sorry, I think this was, I think I've seen it now because I believe if you don't get more fonts, I tag them tag them. Please set up the group. And also, there's a video if you want to confirm. Can you use your mobile phone to stake your currency, crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever all coins accepted. But pays every week, taking in, taking out, so you leave it, you pay, and it pays you rewards. See, that's no way making money with okay. Once you click this button here, we'll bring you to this page here. Yeah. How to set up your earn.world wallet, or your exterior wallet, okay? And I've done a little video of how to do it, okay? And also I've done a little video in depth how to use your exterior wallet. Step 1, step 2, and step 3, right? And these are the percentages you'll make. Right, just gives you an idea. This is per year, but the longer you leave your crypto in there, you get paid, these amounts. But you can actually take your money in, money out. It's up to you. I like it. It's working for me. It just gives you an extra income, really. And also, you go back to this here button here. Once you click on the button, the main button, which is here, it's back to page. So, but my advice, click the page. You can use it. Just got the time, but look at here, like it. It's going to refer for later. But guys, so anything else, please reach out to me or leave a message on YouTube or send me a message on Facebook or wherever. Information below the video. And also, I will leave the link for this. You can have a look at what they do. And well, there's information here. I'll leave a link for this as well. Just gives you what's happening, what the company's about. So it's quite useful. Just say log in, but you have to use a referrer, which would be me, to actually become a member. It says login, but you can use this login if you're a member. I know it's quite handy. But just read about it. Do some due diligence, yeah. Because at the end of the day, it's your investment, and you've got to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Anyway, I hope you got some value out of this video. Really appreciate you looking at my information and what I'm offering you to become a member of your own world. But it's working for me, guys. I like it, and the thing I like about this business is we get regular updates every 2 or 3 days, and we have webinars every week, and we have new things happening at the moment. We've got some new coins going to be created. We can stake those as well. It's a very, very good and lucrative company, and the great thing, guys, they've got their own blockchain, which is a really big bonus. Yeah? But most cryptocurrency companies haven't got their own blockchain. So, you know, I like it, but please do some research. You know, don't take my word for it. You know, I've done a video. See if you like it. You know, see if you like it. Start with $100, and, you know, just to test the water out. Once you're happy with it, start putting more money in. You know, if you want to refer, if you want to refer, what you need to do is you need to be a paid member to refer. That's a referral link. So if you refer, please note you need to be a paid member. When I say a paid member, you need to buy an infrastructure. Okay. Okay, so you need to be a paid member. All right. And also to use the wallet, you can use the wallet for free, not a problem. But to stake it, okay, you have about 3 sections on the phone. I've done a video on this, so the link will be below in the video. To stake, you need to be a paid member. All right. But you can use, if you're a free member, you can just use your app just to put your cryptocurrency in, but you don't earn anything. But if you're a paid member, you obviously can stake your coins, and also you can trade with it as well. They trade on your behalf, which is pretty cool. Yeah. But as I said to you guys, earn and learn. Okay. This is how I did it. All right. Because when you come into a platform, it's just mind-boggling. You know. Get used to it. Put an investment in for $100, what you can afford, okay, or pay more. It's up to you, you know. Up to you. But anyway, quick disclaimer: this is my quickly go to my dashboard. This is my hard work, what I've done within 10 months, 10 months and 2 weeks approximately, you know, $166,000. And actually withdrew that, and it's gone into my crypto wallet. Okay, all right. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching the video. Any questions and answers, please leave information on the in the description. All the links will be below the video, and please come into the Telegram group and say hi. You know, and just reach out to us. If you do hit problems, we're here to help you. We've got a couple of admins in there. If you really do struggle, I can do a one-to-one, not a problem. All right. Have a great day, and thank you very much for watching the video. Be safe. Happy days.